Precision Automotive and Transmission. Well, this looks kind of interesting. And yeah, some old cars in a garage, engines laying around. Looks like a Mustang drag car. And what is hidden back in the corner? Looks like an old, I don't know, something. You know, it's a really cool shop with great people. When you see old cars and, well, a drag body shell hung from the ceiling. This is a quick hit and run on Precision Automotive, owned by this gentleman, James McNeal. Really cool guy. Let's get into it. Welcome to Road Odyssey. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. And if you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. And if you're on Rumble, please follow. Remember, I'm out there on Facebook. You can see what I'm up to almost on a daily basis. So, you pull up at a car shop and you see a Cobra sitting out at the front door. What is not to get my attention? Good Lordy. Then I walk around back and see this beautiful, beautiful Impala. Wow, this thing is owned by Ken. Really great car. And, you know, as you keep walking around and looking, you'll see other fine machines that are very precisely built, like this drag Mustang. I must give a huge shout out to James McNeal. He has been fantastic in letting me look around his shop and watch him, not just there, but at the drag strip. Thank you very much, Mr. McNeal. So, getting back to the story, being very much attracted by the Cobra and then seeing this 1933 at Precision Automotive up on the rack, I just couldn't resist getting you as many pictures as possible. Yes, the Fisher Coach emblem on the body. 1962 was the last inspection on this car. Original windshield. Matter of fact, everything on here was practically original except for the obvious. But seeing it on the rack, I had to get up underneath it to give y'all a look at what, what there was under there. You see a new rack and new exhaust and all that good stuff. It is definitely hopped up. They're just kind of tucking in wires and lines and just fixing this thing up for the owner so that it can go on a good long drive. Bringing it down on the rack, get another look around this fine machine. I love the body work. You see a pretty engine there. Door handles that match the body style, the rumble seat, the Indian Chief head. I mean, it's just got detail after detail in this car. Love the old seats. Just, God, so nostalgic. Love the steering wheel as well. A nicely updated front dash. Really like that a lot. It is actually very clean and, of course, air conditioned from that roof. Now, time to move on. Quickly heading out to the Paris drag strip where we take a closer look at some of the drag cars that are owned by the Precision family, the McNeals. Mr. James McNeal was extremely nice about letting myself, another gentleman, and his son look around at some of the cars that were there. At this point in time, I had shown up before anybody else. They had just begun taking the cars off the trailers, and so thought I'd give you a nice walk around, just kind of see what they're up to. And, you know, my point of doing this is to illustrate to you that Precision Auto in Paris, Texas, for them to have a lot of really fine drag cars within their own family, not even including the mechanics, these people are exceptionally good at working on all types of cars. Seriously, all types of cars. They even repaired my wife's Jaguar F-Type. So, there you go. And now just a quick peek inside the Mustang. I just think it's cool. And here is Mr. James McNeal again himself. Thank you. And just giving us a peek on the inside for the engine. Magnificent build. Very clean. Really like that a lot. And here we go on the racetrack. This was a test and tune event, no competition. I thoroughly enjoyed seeing some of their cars out on the racetrack, showing off just exactly how good these people really are when it comes to automotive repair, maintenance, and builds. This is Mr. James McNeal himself, the owner of Precision and the red and white dragster. Fun to watch. Time to end this video saying thank you very much to the Precision Automotive team, including this gentleman, Aaron of Swaff Shots, a fantastic photographer and great team member, as all they are at Precision Automotive. Thank you all very much. You are great. And to all of y'all who have watched this video and subscribed or just passing through, you are also great. I appreciate you very much. And with that, relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.